With your heart, she's such a star. In your heart, I'm alone. It tears me apart.
Classic YouTuber walking interface. Have you ever tried adding a camera in a sequence to a car crash to a vehicle in the city sample from Unreal Engine? So right now I'm going to show you how to easily put the vehicles into another project, make a sequence, add a camera, and still keep all of the car, its destructions, including the glass, with barely any nodes, maybe like 3. So let me show you that this actually works. Let me show you. Look, if I hit play, like here's the car. If I hit caps lock, because that's the key that I have the sequence assigned to, boom, the sequence starts. I can drive if I want to. Let's start the sequence again. You can see me driving. A little bit out of focus, but it's insane that you can like use a freaking IMAX 70mm camera in Unreal Engine. Let me also show you this, by the way, the destruction with glass. As you can see right here. Let's drive up against like this thing. Boom, the destruction works. And you can see the glass. Boom, the glass explodes. That's insane, that's so cool. So basically what I did is I went to the city sample blueprint. Well, I went to not the city sample blueprint. Let's open the level that I started out in. So I have this project, which is like a city park environment. It's from the marketplace. It's free. So if you look up city park or city environment, you'll find this one, and it's 100% free, which is insane. And first, I'm going to show you a couple of things that don't work if you want to try it. Don't migrate the vehicles from the city sample project into this project. Just don't do it. Don't try it. It doesn't work. When you hit play, it misses all kinds of blueprints. So my workaround for that, what I did, which is kind of insane, I know, but it's the easiest way that I've been able to find, is I selected all of this. Like if you don't know how to do that, click the first one, click shift, and then the last one, right mouse click, migrate. And I migrated everything, and I mean everything, from the city sample, well, not from the city environment project to the city sample from Unreal Engine project. So I hit migrate. It's going to ask you a bunch of things. Just say okay to all of it. If I open the city sample project again, I will go to the content drawer. And right here, you can see city park, right? Go to the maps one, hit showcase. And like this, you can actually open this map inside of the city sample from Unreal Engine. So if we do that, sorry. So right now you can see that I can just open this one. I already have a bunch of vehicles in here. If I go to the content drawer and I go down here, you can see vehicle, which is from the city sample from Unreal Engine. And if I click, for example, I don't know, vehicle 3, right? You have to import the sandbox one with like a pawn on it. So if you wait a little bit, add this here, and boom, you can just use this one. The first time that you play the level, you won't get into the car. So there are a couple of things you have to do first. If you go possess, and then on this one, and then auto possess player, it's disabled right now. Hit player 1, or sorry, hit player 0. You're player 0, right? Not player 1. Hit player 0. That will work. Player 0. And then the other thing you have to do before starting up, most likely, especially if you're in the same kind of like project thing that I am, the project settings game mode is not set to BP city sample game mode. It'll be set to first person game mode, maybe just to game mode, but it has to be set, and this is very important, to BP city sample game mode. If you hit that one, then you'll be able to actually drive the car. I can show you what will happen if, for example, instead of that, you hit the first person game mode and hit play. If you play the first person game mode, you'll see you can't move, you can't do anything. You'll be like, why am I inside of the car? That's pretty cool actually, but I can't move the car, so what's the use of that? That's because you didn't change this one to select game mode BP city sample game mode. If you hit that and if you play it now, it should work. And boom, actually, because I changed it, you can see that I'm possessing this car, which is actually not what I want. So let's delete the car. Hit yes, I don't care about that. Possess player 0, that's me. You can add multiple players like this as well, I figure. And then hit this one, W, stuff like that. What I also did was when I hit caps lock, the sequence will start. That's very easy to do. Just go to here, go to the open level blueprint. I created like a sequence here, add level sequence. I put it right here in the game. If you want, and this is way easier than what I did, you can hit autoplay and it'll play automatically. You can loop it if you want to, but I found it easier to just use a button. So that's what I did. I went to open level blueprint. I'm going to show you all the steps right here. Like basically this is what it is. So if I go key, sorry, not caps lock, just key, and I go down a little bit, you can see the keyboard events. So let's change it from any key to like, I don't know, A, right? When A is pressed, create a level sequence player, hit the sequence that you want to be played when A is pressed. Maybe probably the camera's already off. Then, and this cost me a bit of time to figure out, because I was like, play sequence, right? And then I had this turned off. So then it just does this thing. But what you have to do is go here, have it turn on. And if you now hit play, you can see here, play sequence player is underneath it with brackets. Then you'll get the target as well. So don't make the same mistake that I did, and then do the out actor to the target. That way the target will be itself and the sequence player will play as the target. You compile it. Like this, everything is fine. If you wouldn't have this thing, it'll 100% give an error. So you need that. Compile it. And then when you hit A, the sequence is played. I know it's a lot of things that I just said, but this is like the easiest method that I found. So let's get back to better quality me. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you out, and I hope you make like amazing sequences or games or cinematics, which is what I'm going to do using this technique with this tutorial. If you do, please comment down below what you made, share a link to what you made. I'd love to see it. I have another channel called I Guess I Make Stuff, where I mainly upload short films and behind the scenes of those short films on. I have Instagram called I Guess I Make Stuff. I have a Facebook called Effects for Me and a Facebook called VFX Star. On this channel, also VFX Star, I mainly upload visual effects tutorials, Unreal Engine tutorials, visual effects short films and stuff like that. So if you want to see more of that, please subscribe. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Classic YouTuber walking out of frame.
I'll give you my heart, but she won't come dancing.